Let us now do the numerical based on series and parallel combination. In the given network, the statement is in the given network of resistors, find the equivalent resistance between A and B, between A and D, and between A and C. Firstly, we have to find out between A and B. Let us name them A, B and C, D. We have to find out from A to B, so we will move from this end, one end A. We will take the one end and we will start moving from that. So this A end, so when we are moving across this path, so this path is a single path, so it means the resistance 3 ohm and 7 ohm becomes a series combination, so that becomes R1 plus R2 is equal to 10 ohm. So what we get here is a common combination of 10 ohm connected across AC, right? Now this 10 ohm resistance and this 10 ohm becomes parallel to each other. So what we get, 1 upon 10 plus 1 upon 10 is equal to 2 by 10 is equal to 1 by 5, which is equal to Rp. So Rp becomes 5. It means after solving these two, what we get along AC is a value, combination of value is 5 ohm. Now this 5 ohm, while moving from A to B across C, through C, this 5 ohm and this 5 ohm becomes in series. Since this becomes in series, so this will be added and gives you 5 ohm plus 5 ohm is equal to 10 ohm. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10 ohm. It means now what we get across this combination is our 10 ohm resistance. 10 ohm. Now across AB, this 10 ohm is connected in parallel with 10 ohm, so total becomes again 5 ohm. It means across AB, then equivalent resistance becomes 5 ohm. So hence the combination is having the value of resistance equal to 5 ohm across AB. Similarly, we can go for AD. When we have to find the value of resistance across AD, so it means our initial point is A and final point is D. So we will move from this. You can see the similar arrangement is there. Here the 10 ohm and 5 ohm is connected in series. So first of all, we will calculate in series combination. 10 plus 5 is 15. Now that 15 ohm is in parallel with 10 ohm. So what we get, 1 by 10 plus 1 by 15 is equal to, when we take the LCM, that becomes 25 divided by 150, and if we divide it, you will get the its value. Now the combination will give you the value of resistance across this, and that will become in series with, when we move, means we are left with here. Let us find out its value first. Its value will come out to be 6 ohm. Now this 6 ohm and 7 ohm are in series. So 6 plus 7 becomes 13. Now that 13 ohm is in parallel with 3. So 1 upon 13 plus 1 upon 3. So we can calculate the value along AD. Similarly, when we are moving across, when we want to find out across the AC, it is clear cut diagram. Along AC, this is in series. This is in series. This is also in series. While this combination and this one, all three are in parallel. So using the suitable formula, we can calculate the value across AC.